Yeah, good evening. So one of the important concept in electric field is the electric field due to a ring. So the ring is a circular structure having charge on it, and we have to find the electric field on the axis of the ring at a distance of x from the center, and the radius of the ring is given to be a. So the derivation is pretty straightforward. You use small parts of the ring, integrate the individual forces due to the ring, and then you calculate the electric field at an angle of theta due to a small part located at a distance x from the center. And what you get finally is that the electric field, what is left of electric field, is Ex. That is, the final electric field is in the direction of x-axis only. So do that derivation, have a look at it. What you can expect is numericals which have concentric rings, or two rings which are perpendicular to each other and stuff like that. You must remember the derivation, and you must do the some numericals on rings parallel to each other or rings lying perpendicular to each other. Thank you very much.